Riya is packing gift baskets for elderly residents at a retirement home. Regular baskets hold 3 items each. Big baskets hold 5 items each. Riya packs twice as many big baskets as regular ones. Counting all the items, there are 78. How many regular baskets did Riya pack? Pause the video. Try to figure it out. Here's a hint. We do not know the total number of baskets this time, but we know the ratio. For every 1 regular basket, there are 2 big ones. That clue lets you group items into matching sets. Here is the new trick, the block trick. Build 1 block that matches the ratio. 1 block has 1 regular basket and 2 big baskets. That is the smallest group where the ratio works. Every block in the answer will look exactly like this one. Now count the items in 1 block. 1 regular basket has 3 items. 2 big baskets have 5 plus 5, which is 10 items. So 1 block holds 3 plus 10. That is 13 items per block. The total is 78 items. Every block holds 13 items. How many blocks fit in 78? 78 divided by 13 is 6 blocks. Each block has exactly 1 regular basket. 6 blocks means 6 regular baskets. And 6 blocks means 12 big baskets, because each block has 2 of those. Riya packed 6 regular baskets and 12 big baskets. Let us check. 6 regular baskets with 3 items each is 18 items. 12 big baskets with 5 items each is 60 items. 18 plus 60 is 78 items. The numbers match. 3 tricks now live in your toolbox. The pretend trick is for when you know the total count. The trim trick is for when one type has K more than the other. The block trick is for when the clue is a ratio. With chickens and rabbits, we pretended. With bracelets, we trimmed. With baskets, we built blocks. The strongest move in math is recognizing which tool the clue is asking for. Pick the tool that fits the clue. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.